Alright then, welcome back everyone. Let's solve this question, product sales analysis 1. Now this is a simple question based on joins, so I'll quickly summarize the question for you. We are given two tables, sales and product. Now this product table just contains information about product and its name. So this product ID is a primary key and product name is of course the name of the product, that's why it's Vacha. And the sales table contains information about the sale of various products, right? So sale ID and year is the primary key. And this product ID is the foreign key, right? So this product ID is referring to the product ID here. So this gives you a sense that these two can be joined based on this product ID table, right? And what you want to effectively do is you want to report product name here and price for each sale ID in the sales table, right? So if this is the sales table and this is a product table, what you want to do is for each sale ID, for example, there are 1, 2, 7, you first want to display the year, price, and its name. How will you get this name? Of course, join these two tables on product ID, right? So get this 100's name. So 100 name is Nokia. Then again this 100, so 100 name again Nokia, and get information about this 200. So 200 is Apple. So Nokia, Apple. Simple. So information about year, price, and name. Name you can get by just joining these two tables. Right now with join, so it depends, right? Which table you keep on the left or right. Now, if you keep this table on the left, what you effectively want to do is whether you do left join or right join doesn't really matter, because effectively you want all the rows for this, right? And since you know this product ID is a foreign key, for all the values of product ID here, there definitely will be a product ID here because that's a standard referential integrity constraint, right? So if you put this table on the left, left join, inner join both works because both of them ensures that you get common entries, right, where product ID matches, and that is fine, right? And by the nature of it, the intersection will be equals to number of entries in the sales table itself. Because of the referential integrity constraint. So in other words, what I'm trying to say here is, guys, if you perform a left join between these two tables by keeping the sales table at the left, you will any which way get the number of entries same as in the sales table. Because for all the product ID here, you are bound to find a product ID here because it is a foreign key. Okay, or perform a natural join any which way you will get it 100 like 3 entries. So I'll write the code here. First, I'll write the code for join, right? So I'll perform join first. So I want to perform join of which table? Sales table, right? I'll call it S and join it. Join on, maybe let me just format it a little bit. Join on product table, right? So product table P on S dot product ID equals to P dot product ID because that is the common column, right? Okay, so we have joined it. Which three things you want? You want product name, year, and price. So product name you can get from p dot product name, and then you can get the year from s dot year, and you can get price from s dot price. And I don't think we have any constraints about the order, so you can print it in any order you want. So yeah, that's that. Just combine the table based on product ID, and by keeping, if you keep this sales table on the left, you perform a natural like inner join or a left join doesn't really matter. You will get the desired entries. That is, for each sale ID, you will get the product name, year, and price. Right? Fine. So I'll just okay. I think there is a two ons, so it should be like this, right? Join product P on. Yeah, it works. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.